Hello friends, welcome to the channel Best Coaching. UPSC exams are no joke. They are one of the toughest exams in India and they can't be only cracked by hard work. Yes, you heard it right. Along with hard work, you need smart work. Now, what do I mean by smart work? By smart work, I mean proper planning, time management, and proper guidance. And the proper guidance comes through proper mentor. And by proper mentor, I mean proper coaching. So it is vital for you to choose a proper and ideal coaching institute for you. Now, how to do that? Not worry, you just have to look through all the coaching institute out there, talk about its result, the ratings, the reviews, etc. Easy, right? Don't worry, we did the job for you and we have picked top 4 Judiciary Civil Services Coaching Institute that you can opt to boost your preparation. So, let us not waste time and begin on with the video. The institute ranking number 4th on our list is Yojana IAS, and this institute is for you if you are someone who is planning to give the civil services exam in Hindi medium, that is in Hindi language, because it provides its unmatched mentorship and guidance in Hindi as well as English medium. It has more features such as NCERT based curriculum is opted here. Here you can interact with faculty who are very supportive and have experience of years. Group discounts to student and female aspirants are given. Doubt clearing session facilities available. Study booklet and notes are provided. Opportunity of discussion about topics on various platforms is also there. It provides recorded lectures as well as videos, and talking about its batch size, only 60 students are allowed in a batch to avoid disturbance and maintain proper attention on every student. So, do you want to join them? Visit yojanaias.com or contact them on the number shown on the screen. Now, it's time for rank 3. The coaching institute ranking number 3 on our coaching list is Plutus IAS. Plutus IAS is no doubt the best coaching institute out there, and it says that it gives the best and the needed mentorship and guidance to the student and proves it by the result that it gave in the past few years. So, are you amazed? It has got live classes as well as recorded lectures. And it was also seen that the UPSC exams had much questions similar to the mock test that it took in that year. Isn't that amazing? Moreover, batch size is only of 40 to 50 students to maintain decorum and avoid disturbance. The faculty member that you get here are very interactive and have been from prominent colleges of India like JNU, DU, PHU, etc. and have experience of 10 plus years. The daily resources that they provide are daily quiz, study material, video lecture, daily newspaper, daily current affair, etc. Doubt sessions are also conducted to clear every student's doubt. Regarding their fees, it is Rs 1 lakh plus GST for a course duration of 9 to 12 months. So do you want to join them? Visit plutusias.com or contact them on the number shown on the screen. Moving on to the rank 2, the name of the coaching is The Hindu Zone. Now, you might be wondering what makes it different from all the other coaching institute that we discussed. Well, the feature that differentiates it is its dedication and compassion. Now, why do I say that? I say that because it provides free counseling to students who are somewhere doubtful in their career journey about how they should start their preparation, when they should start, from which coaching they should start, etc. etc. Moreover, they provide recorded video lectures of every prominent coaching out there so that you can learn a topic from the best way possible. Don't worry about doubts. Doubt sessions are conducted in regular period of time to make sure that you clear your doubts as soon as possible. Mock tests are also incorporated to keep one in practice. So what are you waiting for? Go get yourself a free counseling session registered on thehinduzone.com or by contacting them on the number shown on the screen. So, still not comfortable? Still you didn't find the right coaching for you? Don't worry. The coaching institute ranking number 1 on our list then is for you. Well, the name of the coaching institute is Kautilya IAS. Kautilya IAS is one of the premium coaching institute out there, especially for Judiciary Civil Services exam. Its motive is to aim and shape legal career through institutionalized teaching and come up as a pioneer in Judiciary Coaching Institute. Talking about its key feature, it has got expert faculties, emphasis on subject-to-subject special guidance, Small batch sizes are maintained in order to provide better understanding. Teaching method is based on recent case law judgment. Moreover, doubt clearing sessions are conducted each day after or during the classes to make sure that every doubt is attended. And for practice, don't worry. Daily sample paper will be provided and a mock test will be taken weekly to make sure that you are in check of your preparation. So, do you want to join them? Visit kautilyaIAS.com for more queries or fees, or contact them on the number shown on the screen. I hope you like the video. So, if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and also comment down your favorite coaching institute in the video.